Congratulations to my beautiful bride for our traditional marriage. She requested for a sweat-proof, oil-proof, and heat-proof makeup. If you are interested in such video, then watch this video to the end. I started off by shaving off her brows, like grooming her brows, and then I took off the hairs around her upper lips like a mustache, and then I'm going in with a contact lens. By the way, everything I did was what she requested for. Okay, for a bride, your skin prep routine is important. I started off by using a micellar cleansing water to properly cleanse our skin, take off all the dirt, and then I'm going in with my Mario Badescu setting spray to hydrate the skin. I allowed it to dry down a bit before blending with a beauty blender, a beauty sponge. I just tap it gently on the skin. Moving on to my COSROS serum. This serum is one very important step in makeup you don't want to miss. Skin prep is actually very important. These are things that prepare your skin for the product is going to be absorbing soon. After applying with a brush, I used my hands to just tap it gently on the skin and then applied entirely on the skin also. And then I went in with my moisturizer. Please, I want you to remember that before you apply each product, make sure the initial product you applied is properly dried. You can allow the AC in the room to dry it for you, or you can use a mini fan to dry it. But for bride, you know they're always in a hurry, so I always move along with my mini fan to fasten the time. And then I'm going in with my Milk Hydro Milk Primer. This primer is one good primer you need for bride. See the difference on her skin. When I was done with that, I went in with this affordable primer, which is the classic primer. I applied the classic primer entirely on her T-zone, and then I went in with my Lara Mercier setting powder. This one is one of bonge for your sweat-proof makeup. Like, you just apply it gently on the skin. Tap it on the skin. After applying my setting powder, I apply my foundation immediately on top of the setting powder without spraying the face, because I observed that when I spray the client's face or the bride face after applying my setting powder, the effect is not as much, is not as strong, the sweat proof is not as much compared to when I do not spray the face. So what I do is I just apply the setting powder first before applying my foundation, and as you can see, I am just tapping the foundation gently on her skin. I'm not rubbing it off, no, I'm placing the foundation gently on top of the invisible powder. And as you can see, this setting powder is not the face, the areas that are already blended is not even looking like what you have a setting powder sitting underneath that beautiful skin you are looking at now. Now, this is one major step for my bride for long-lasting makeup. Initially, over the years, I was using Meron Skin Prep, but after a while, I noticed that for some skin, their makeup usually break when I use the Meron Skin Prep. And then I'm going in with my Beauty by AD blush palettes. I mixed the pink shade and the red shade, so I'm loving this particular shade that I'm seeing here. And on this skin, because she's a very dark skin, I decided not to contour her face with a liquid foundation. I'm just going in with my Kevyn Aucoin concealer in the shade 12, mixed with my Nuban concealer in the shade 43. I mixed both together, and then I'm just going to blend this.
I wish I could be strong, survival on my own, but now I'm running out of hope. I need somebody else to save me from myself, a love too precious to let go. I've been searching for someone for all my life. should find it. Don't dare to let go if you hold on tight. Promise you'll be alright. I've been searching for someone for all my.
Elapsed after applying my miracle setting powder, I blended it, and then I also used my went in with my MAC skin finishing powder in dark deepest to also apply it on the other areas of her face. And then I'm currently contouring her face and nose with the Morphe powder in the shade Leader. I love this powder. Like, since I bought this powder, since I started using this powder, I've been able to skip some liquid contour because it is very pigmented. Okay, so I'm just blending with my beauty blender. And when it comes to a long lasting sweat proof, I love to just work with beauty blender after applying all my liquid products. Okay, so I'm just blending the forehead, the contour. As you know, when it comes to makeup, blending is key. Keep blending. Like, if you see any ash line anywhere, just keep blending. Never stop blending. Blend till you achieve a flawless look. And then it's time for the brows. I'm just brushing up her brows, and then I'm using this pencil. She's a very dark person, very dark person. It's the light that is in front of her that is even making her look bright. She's a dark skin bride. And then I'm sorry for the different hands that you are seeing on this video. As you already know, when it comes to bride, teamwork is important. So on this video, the bridal hairstylist was working, I was also working. you know Teamwork is important. So I am done with a brow. It's important for you to apply a powder on the brow bone, yes, especially after you apply concealer. After you apply concealer, make sure you apply powder on the brow bone. You can see the effect and you can see the difference. I apply the eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette from the Mino Beauty. I have a detailed eyeshadow look. Please go check it out. I apply the Maro Badesco setting spray.
I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Going in with my favorite liquid glue from the Anastasia's Beverly Hills. This glue is one high-end brand that I love, that I did not regret spending money on. I just use my beauty blender to dab it properly on the skin, and this glue can last all day, like till you take your bath. And then I took a smaller blending soft brush to just apply that same liquid glue on the tip of her nose, like the bridge of her nose, to highlight the nose, to further snatch the nose properly. Okay, check out the glue. You not loving what you're seeing. It's not looking too bright, but it's just perfect for her skin shade. There are no rules to this makeup thing. Just do what works for you. If powder glue work for you perfectly, do it. If na liquid glue dey work for you, do it. The most important thing is that you get the job done, the job that you are paid for. You get to do it well and do it right, so that your client can be happy, like she's all shades of beauty. Okay, and then I'm going in with this beautiful lip stain from the Mino Beauty. I love the, in fact, just look at lip now. See, let me tell you something. There's something about makeup that is not loud. You are seeing the tone of the colors I'm using on this particular bride. Like, she's looking colorful, but in the right way. Okay, sweat proof. See, this face, forget. People wey dey inside the room, na so just dey hype me. How my brain could dey swear? Oh boy, abeg. Na so I enter the second shade for the same Mino Beauty. That orange, I love her, no love her reach. As make I apply this one take top am. See as e just change the lip game. because I was just thinking. I said, that shade, I think my face is too dark. Let me bring a little light to the lips and see how it's looking. That's why I said in this makeup, in this thing called makeup artistry, there are no rules, Jare. Just do what works for you. Okay. So I went in to finish up my glow with this Fenty Beauty Glow in Candy Cogna and how many carats. Man, this glow is glowing, it's glowing. And then I went in with my baby to further lock up everything. You know this one now, so pro finishing spray. This one, I hear my money go finish this spray. I no dey buy any other expensive spray. Now only this one, when e finish I go dey buy more. Okay. And then I went in with my cheek glaze from TM Essentials, and I'm just blending that with my beauty blender to further snatch a lower jawline. You already know we are in summer. If you want a long lasting sweat proof makeup for your bride, trust me, follow all this process. You will testify. Okay, you go give me testimony. And then I'm just putting that razor blade under her eyes so that the mascara will not stain under her eyes. Please guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my video. To all my subscribers, I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video till now. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often like my beautiful bride, and bye guys.